This is a quick wee video showing you the comparisons between a homemade press and one bought off of Amazon. One thing there's no short supply of in our house is cardboard. I also do a little woodworking that seems to generate an awful lot of sawdust. First I'll show you how to prepare the cardboard and the sawdust for making briquettes. We keep a bin at our back door we add the sawdust and the cardboard to. 60% cardboard to 40% sawdust is a good ratio. You want to add plenty of water and give it a good mix every now and again. Once the bin's full, you leave it another 2 days to soak. Once it's well softened, you can break up the fibres using a paddle mixer and an electric drill. When it gets to a consistency like porridge, you're ready to make briquettes. My homemade press is made up of 40mm diameter pipe, 550mm long with holes drilled in it, and 100mm diameter pipe, 500 long. A 2-litre bottle cut in half is ideal for filling the pipes. There's quite a bit of waste water and there is fibres in the water that can make a bit of a mess. I push the plungers down to the first mark. At this mark I know I can fit the bottle jack in. A car scissor jack would work just the same. This bottle jack doesn't just quite reach as far as it needs to, so I have to add a block of wood in just to push it the last wee bit. And I stop when I get to the second mark. This ensures that I've got a consistent size. For some reason, the sawdust and cardboard mixture is more difficult to get out the pipe than just the cardboard. So when I've got sawdust in the mixture, I use this jig to make it easier to remove the briquettes. I ordered a briquette maker off of Amazon. It cost about £35, but it took over a month to come. And it was when I was waiting on it coming I decided to make my own one. I think it's a good idea to wear gloves when you're working with the cardboard. It's just in case there's any chemicals in the water. The bot press seems to work alright. It's certainly a lot quicker. But you do feel that if you put too much pressure on it, you might bend something. Both bricks are roughly about the same size. The square one's certainly a lot wetter. I could have opened the press, put some more stuff in and gave it a second squeeze, but I would be concerned that I would break it. It'll certainly take an awful lot longer to dry, and the fact that mine have a hole through them means that they dry quicker, and also there's more surface area when you're burning them. Some feedback in the comments would be much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can let me know by hitting the subscribe button. Now I need to go back into the workshop and make some more sawdust.